Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain Agile basics in simple terms. Let's consider a company who wants to build a website using Agile methodology. The product owner is going to understand the requirement from the business, and product owner is going to discuss the requirement with the business analyst, and with the help of Scrum Master they are going to write user stories or start building the backlog. What is a backlog and what is a user story? Let's say the main requirement is to build a login page, and this main requirement can be divided into number of small parts like adding a label, adding a text box, adding a reset link, adding a login button. All these can be written as a user stories. So user story is a small part of a bigger requirement, and collection of all the user story is a backlog. Once the basic backlog has been created by the product owner and a business analyst with the help of Scrum Master, they are going to add a developers and a QA team as a team members. Now the core team has been formed. The first step is to refine the backlog or backlog refinement. In this meeting, the product owner is going to explain the acceptance criteria or the requirement of the user story. According to this requirement, the story complexity or the story sizing will be done. The story sizing can be done in different ways like t-shirt sizing, Fibonacci series and natural numbers. Let's say if team is doing a Fibonacci series, 1 being the least complex, and if team decide to mark the story as 13, that meaning the requirement is too complex and that story can be divided into multiple smaller stories. So as part of the backlog refinement, the product owner and business analyst will explain the requirement to the team. The developers or the team members can ask any number of questions to understand the user story, and the team has to come up with the story points as per the complexity of the user story. After the first backlog refinement, next step is to create the sprint. What is sprint? Sprint is a smaller version of backlog. Each sprint will contain few user story from the backlog. For example, backlog has 100 user story, and that can be divided into 10 different sprints, each sprint containing 10 user stories. In the sprint planning, the team members are going to commit to the user story that has to be delivered by the end of the sprint. For example, the sprint 1 has 10 user stories. The developers or the team members are going to decide how many stories they are going to take in a sprint 1 according to their complexity, and remaining stories will be moved to this feature sprint. The timeline of the sprint depends on the company. Some companies follow 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Sprint planning meeting, the Scrum Master is going to start the sprint for the development. During the development phase, the user story will go through different phases. For example, during the development, it will be marked as in construction. After development is done, it will be marked to validate for QA validation. After the QA validation is done, it will be marked to PO acceptance for the demo. Once the product owner accepts the user story, it will be marked as done or closed. The daily scrum is a 15 minutes meeting used by a team members to update their status by covering 3 basic questions: what did they do yesterday, what they are going to do today, and any blockers. This will help the team to be in sync. At the end of each sprint, there will be demo to the product owner and the business partners on all the user story done in the current sprint. After the demo, there will be a retrospective event or a meeting. In the retrospective meeting, the team members will cover the 3 points: what did we do well, what has to improve, what need to stop. This will help the team to improve continuously from one sprint to another sprint. So after the sprint demo and retrospective, the sprint will be closed and the next sprint will be started, and the same process continues in the next sprint until all the user story from the backlog will be covered. And in the next slide, I listed all the keywords covered in this video. There are 2 important tools in the Agile. Jira is an important tool which is used to track and analyze all the activities of the Agile process. Confluence is a tool which is used to maintain and create the project documentation. Burn down chart is a graphical representation of the team progress during the sprint. The sprint velocity is the total number of story points covered in the sprint. And this brings us to the end. Thank you for watching.